Hi everyone. Are you facing that frustrating disk utility error 69877? You know, the one that says couldn't open device when you try to erase your USB drive? It's a common problem for Mac users, and it can be really annoying when you just want to reformat a drive. Don't worry, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through several steps to fix this issue and get your USB drive working again. This error often means disk utility is having trouble accessing the low-level structure of the drive, perhaps due to a corrupted partition map or the drive being stuck in a busy state. First, let's try some simple troubleshooting steps. Make sure your USB drive is properly connected. Sometimes, simply unplugging it and plugging it back into a different USB port on your Mac can solve minor connection glitches. If you have a USB hub, try connecting the drive directly to your Mac. Restarting your Mac is also a good idea. A fresh start can clear up temporary system issues that might be preventing disk utility from working correctly. If you have access to another Mac, try erasing the drive there. This helps determine if the problem is with your specific Mac or the USB drive itself. Next, let's use disk utility's own tools. Open disk utility. Select your USB drive from the sidebar. Make sure you select the top-level drive, not just a volume or partition underneath it. Click on First Aid. Let it run. First Aid tries to repair directory errors and other minor issues. Sometimes, repairing these small problems can allow you to erase the drive afterward. After First Aid completes, try the erase function again. If that doesn't work, sometimes the drive is still mounted or in use by another process, even if you don't realize it. In disk utility, try selecting the USB drive and clicking Unmount or Eject first. Then, immediately try the erase function. This ensures no other process is holding on to the drive. Now, for a more powerful solution that often fixes the 69877 error, using terminal. Be very careful with this method, as selecting the wrong disk can lead to data loss on your main drive. Open terminal from your applications/utilities folder. Type diskutil list and press enter. This command will show you a list of all connected disks and their identifiers, like /dev/disk0/dev/disk1/dev/disk2 and so on. Carefully identify your USB drive based on its size and name. For example, it might be /dev/disk2 or /dev/disk3. Let's assume your USB drive is /dev/disk2. Once you are absolutely certain you have the correct disk identifier, type diskutil unmountDisk/dev/diskX, replace X with your disk number, e.g., disk2 and press enter. This command forces the entire disk to unmount. After it unmounts, type diskutil erase disk JHFS plus my USB/dev/diskX again, replace X with your disk number. JHFS plus is the macOS extended, journaled, format, and my USB is the new name for your drive. You can change JHFS plus to APFS or FAT32 if you prefer, but JHFS plus is a good starting point for a Mac-only drive. Press enter. This command will forcefully erase and reformat the entire drive. This method bypasses many of the issues disk utility's graphical interface might encounter. Finally, consider the physical state of your USB drive. Does it have a tiny write protect switch? Some older USB drives or SD card adapters do. Make sure it's not set to locked. Also, could the drive simply be faulty or physically damaged? If none of these software solutions work, the USB drive might have reached the end of its life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix that frustrating disk utility error. If it did, please consider giving this video a like and sharing it with others who might be struggling with the same issue. And if you want more helpful tech tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot.